We are back, soldiers, with another video. To start off with, I would like to thank all our viewers for making it possible for us to reach 1,000 subscribers. This would have not been possible without your support. Plan for fishing today is to throw the line in the water, catch any fish, and we're gonna cook it in this video. Fishing 1 hour of incoming tide and 1 hour of outgoing, running 40 pounds braid and using standard sinker, fishing in the shallows. This measured about 34 centimeter. Let's get the second cast out and try our luck again.
Let it go back. Let's get this boy come forward.
Another penny, soldiers. This measured about 35 centimeters. I think this should be enough to feed me and my little family. I only prefer to take what I really need for the day, and there's always another time to cast out and catch the fish. It's best when it's eaten fresh. It's time we get this fire ready for some cooking. These are my pre-marinated snapper fillets sitting on the butter and the foil. This is going to be topped up with some spring onions. Adding on some coconut cream. Wrap it up, throw it on the fire, ready to eat. Ooh. Look at that texture, soldiers. Steam coming out. I really want you guys to share your thoughts on what do you think about this recipe. Topping this up with a little bit of a salad. At the end of the day, I would like to thank you guys once again for showing your love. If you liked the video, kindly leave your beautiful comments, subscribe. Until next time.